Hello everyone, hope you're fine. In this video, I will show you how you can fix the heating problem in your device Oppo Reno8. So if in this device, if you're having any problem like your device heats up while using or the temperature of the device increases, you can easily fix it by following the few steps and tricks as I will show you in this video. So before we start the video, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix it. Let's watch the video.